Ledge House by Desai. Chia architecture is an architectural masterpiece that blends with nature while honoring its local history. Located in Cornwall, Connecticut, the home sits on the foundation of an old cabin, reducing construction waste and preserving its historical significance. Its form is inspired by traditional barns and historic covered bridges in the area, such as the West Cornwall Covered Bridge. With this approach, the home is not only a comfortable place to live, but also an architectural expression that respects its context. The materials used in the Ledge House emphasize sustainability and weather resistance. The Shou Sugi Ban technique, a traditional Japanese method that involves burning the surface of wood, is applied to the exterior of the home. This process not only creates a distinctive dark aesthetic but also increases the wood's resistance to rot, insects, and weather changes. Additionally, the use of large-scale glass allows for maximum natural light, reducing reliance on artificial energy while offering views of the expansive forest landscape. The bathrooms in the Ledge House are designed with an approach that aligns with the overall concept of the home: minimalist, functional, and at one with nature. The materials used reflect a warm, natural aesthetic, with wood, stone, and concrete dominating throughout the home to create a calming and soothing feel. Natural lighting is achieved through strategically placed large windows, which allows sunlight to enter while providing views of the surrounding forest. In terms of layout, the home is designed to provide an open yet comfortable living experience. The central area serves as a transitional space that connects the master bedroom on one side with the two guest rooms on the other. These spaces are designed with the principle of balancing privacy and connection, making this home ideal for a family or as a retreat. From a sustainability perspective, Ledge House not only adapts to its environment but also makes intelligent use of resources. Natural cross-ventilation and strategic building orientation help to keep interior temperatures comfortable, and its design that maintains the old foundation is not only an act of historical preservation, but also a concrete example of the principles of reuse and reduce in sustainable architecture. This home is proof that an environmentally friendly design approach can still provide strong aesthetics and optimal functionality.